kind of cool.
Yeah, absolutely. We should be able to hear the chase cars as they pull out on the runway.
Are they going to be on the boss frequency? Is that what I should expect at this point? We'll turn it up. We'll see if we can listen. We're listening now.
Pretty quiet right now. We'll hear that big engine kick in here in a few minutes on the departure.
Yes, we noticed that glide down from above 70,000 feet as he arrived here overhead at Miramar. Thanks.
So we're seeing him set up now for, as you said, a full stall landing. Should he actually touch? He will not today. We'll see.
Yes, this one's going to be a low approach here. You can see those spoilers out kind of on the top of his wings. He's bringing it around. Reconfigured now with those flaps. And then those his mobile officer is going to be coming up behind him here.
And the wing is so long because, as you mentioned earlier, talking about how quiet the engine is above 70,000 feet, there's not a lot of air. And so it has to be long to hold itself up there.
Absolutely.
For a lack of a simpler description there. I mean, that's essentially what you're doing. A long, high-lift wing.
And so here comes the mobile officers in the chase car behind him, giving those calls to let him get down to the ground safely. He's going to do a low approach here.
Kirby taxi to runway 24.
Listed in for the chase cars. Yeah, pretty cool stuff right there.
There's a low approach from the airplane. You're going to hear that engine start to slow back up. No longer
to certain places, you get that golden, in Ohio they call it the golden Buckeye discount.
You know, the longest serving tailwheel airplane for the real nerds out there belongs to the UPF-7, the old Waco biplane, which served in a South American military up until just recently. But the U-2, this thing might actually eclipse that record.
It very well could. I mean, it's still incredibly valuable. Like I said, it gets updated every year with state-of-the-art everything.
That's remarkable. All right, flaps down.
So let's see if he gets a little bit lower this time. So his mobile officer today is Leroy Matchin in one of the cars, and then the other one he's joined by a U-2 and NASA mobile officer, Gucci Neely.
I'm listed in. I'm not hearing anything yet.
He's getting lower, getting lower.
Oh, look at that. Touchdown.
And there he is, ladies and gentlemen, on the deck here at Miramar. The mobile officers are guiding him down safely. The pilot today is Demo Beamer. Flying in, you've probably seen him at Oshkosh, seen him here. And he's primarily teaching students to fly this during the week. So this is what he does on the weekends, and then all week long he makes new U-2 pilots.
Very little recognition for it, but she was a real groundbreaker. Passed away just about 4 years ago.
Yeah, and I'll tell you what, this Vicki Benzing was one of my inspirations when I was in college doing glider aerobatics. She was one who kind of inspired me to get into aviation, and here I am at an air show with Vicki, still doing glider stuff.
Cool stuff. Now, is he going to do another low approach?
What school was that at?
That was the Air Force Academy.
Yeah, the good old Air Force Academy and their glider aerobatics team. Good stuff.
This is going to be the last pass we see from the U-2 today, and let's send it back up above 70,000 feet into Northern California.
Over 70,000 feet, well over 75,000. Or wherever he decides to stop today. Watch now and listen to the U-2.
as he launches back towards Beale Air Force Base, California.
Outstanding. Always fun to see you two, and it's always great to get to hang out with you, Matt Bowman.
Absolutely.
We appreciate
It's always a pleasure, guys.
Well, thanks for being here today. We sure appreciate you. All right, good stuff. What do you think, Steph Strickland? You ready?
Steph Strickland, she's got some cool things going on. Hey, Steph, push that microphone button back on.
Smile for the camera.
So I have to let you know, thanks to the fine folks at Precision Exotics Nova, we actually have we've got photos from the chase cars and GoPros in there, so we will deliver